Hey everyone, welcome back to useNfix where we'll be showing you another tutorial video on the topic how to fix your Crunchyroll's black screen. If you're having trouble with your Crunchyroll black screen, you're not alone. This issue is more common than you might think. But don't worry, today I'm going to walk you through some super easy steps to fix it. Let's start with the quickest fix, airplane mode. Go ahead and turn it on from your notification bar or control center. Wait for about 10 to 15 seconds and then turn it back off. Next, let's see if there is an update available for Crunchyroll on your Play Store or App Store. Go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store, then go to search and then search for Crunchyroll. Then see if there is an update available. Sometimes login issues happen because you're using the outdated version of the app. Updating it ensures you have all the latest files, latest bug fixes and improvements. Now, if updating didn't help, it's time to clear cache. Go ahead and open your settings and then search app. This works only if you're on Android. So scroll down until you see Crunchyroll and then scroll down and you'll see the option of storage. Then on the bottom right you'll see the option of clear cache, so hit the button of clear cache. This will clear out all the old data that might be causing issues. Now if you're an iPhone, the closest solution is deleting and reinstalling the app, which we'll get into in a second. And if none of that helped, go ahead and delete the app Crunchyroll from your phone and then reinstall it with all the latest files and improvements. In many cases, this is the final fix that solves stubborn problems. And there you go, one of these methods should have helped you get back your Crunchyroll. If it did, let me know in the comments and give this video a thumbs up to help others too. And hey, if you like simple tech fixes like this, consider subscribing for more. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.